Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine here. Here we discuss important bacterial disease and Enterotoxemia type C. In part 3, we will discuss clinical signs, necropending and diagnosis. Clinical signs in all young animals, young sheep, lambs, goats, calves, pigs and porks. This disease causes severe hemorrhagic enteritis and ulceration of mucosa that result into severe hemorrhagic diarrhea, watery diarrhea, dysentery and anemia also. There is great depression in the animal. Continue with clinical signs in young animals, neonates. Because of this enteritis and ulceration, there is abdominal pain also. The animal frequently look at the abdomen, animal find uneasiness, animal frequently sitting, getting up, urinating posture, defecation, and rolling on the ground may be observed. There is severe toxemia also because toxin is absorbed into the circulation, the pathology caused by the organism. The course of disease is very rapid and there is high fatality rate among the neonates. In adult sheep, it is synonymed as struck. Struck is a seasonal occurrence and it causes the rapid sudden death. So it is synonymed as a struck. Here also in adult, there is acute enteritis. So there is severe diarrhea, dysentery, dehydration. Continue the clinical signs in adult sheep manifested by struck. There is enteritis or diarrhea. The organism also produce peritonitis, entrance of toxin into the circulation, manifest toxemia, a severe condition with great depression, prostration, and case fatality may reach 100%. So it is called as struck. All of a sudden, there is death of animal, maybe without premonitory symptom, is called struck. Necropsy finding. Here, there is extensive involvement of all segments of the intestine. Mostly, entire segment of intestine is involved. But lesions are particularly found in severe form in jejunum and ileum. The affected portion of intestine is deep purple blue color. That is because of the necrosis. Continue the necropsy finding, hemorrhagic enteritis, ulceration of the mucosa of the intestine. There are areas of necrosis infarction are the characteristic finding of this Clostridium perfringens type C infection. Yellow fibrous deposits are found in the intestinal mucosa. So most of the necropsy findings are present in the small intestine. Continue with the necropsy finding. The organism rich in the peritoneum produce severe peritonitis. The intestine is full with large quantity of watery, mildly bloody stained ingesta because there is a hemorrhagic enteritis. Subendocardial and subpericardial hemorrhage also observed. Malignant edema type of the lesions are also observed. Here we discuss diagnosis of enterotoxemia type C. The animal has a history of sudden death with hemorrhagic enteritis characteristic. Intestinal content smear is to be prepared, stained, and under microscopic examination, it shows large number of the gram-positive rod-shaped bacteria. They are nothing but Clostridium perfringens. In the laboratory, by culture, isolation of organism from the feces of a newborn suffering with the hemorrhagic enteritis. Continue with the diagnosis, identification of the organism, detection of toxin from the filter of the feces, and identification of toxin treated with specific antiserum that will neutralize a specific toxin. Sample collection, there is hemorrhagic enteritis, there is pathology in the intestine. So large number of the bacteria are in the feces. So fecal content is the main sample. Frozen intestinal contents about 20 to 30 ml in plastic or glass bottle. Air dried smear of mucosal surface of affected part of the small intestine or a lesion for the demonstration of the characteristic bacteria, and from the frozen intestinal content in the laboratory toxin can be demonstrated. Friends, we have discussed in detail the clinical signs, necropsy findings, and the diagnosis of enterotoxemia type C. We share this important information to veterinarian and veterinary students to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.